welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio W-738H. And yes, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, and then hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press and hold the mode button until beep and jump to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next, press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one, until the second is flashing or blinking. And now we can reset the second using the lower right button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the start stop button to increase the number. And then you can use the split button on the top right to reduce the number like that. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the minute. Also the same thing using these two buttons. So the start button will increase the number, so it's like clockwise, and then the split button will decrease or like counterclockwise. Okay, now press the mode button and we are now setting the time format. You can use the lower right button to change the time format, or yes, you can also use the top right button to change that. Okay, and in this video I'm using the 24-hour format. And then next, press the mode button and now we are setting the year. You can use these two buttons, so the start button will increase like this, okay, and the split button will decrease. Let me set as 2026, okay, and then press the mode button and now we are setting the month. Also the same thing, use these two buttons, start button to increase and split button to decrease. Okay, press the mode button and now is the date. Also the same thing, start button to increase and split button to decrease. And then press the mode button and now back to the second. And then if done, you can press the adjust button and done. For the day of the week will be calculated by the watch itself. It is pre-programmed up to 2099. So just make sure that you entered the correct year, month, and date. Okay, that's all for the basic setting. And yes, I will also make the review and also the detailed tutorial later. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.